So I hear you want to draw comics. Here are 10 boring tips that you should know. Step 1, draw your page. Use whatever tools you want. I'll wait. The standard size is 11 by 17, but I've drawn it this size, and this size. Doesn't really matter these days. Step 2, scan it in. I use this scanner. It's big, it's bulky, and it's cheap. More importantly, it does the job. Scan between 300 to 600 dpi. I scan at 600 dpi, because I'm a big boy. Step 3, bring it into Photoshop. I use a template DC has sent me. Here are the specs. Take your scanned art and place it into your template. If it's a paneled page, mind the bleed. Step 4, clean it up. I use levels. I darken the blacks, lighten the whites. That's it. Step 5, prepare it for colors. I used to set my ink layer to multiply with the colors beneath. This works, but don't be a wimp. Do it the right way. Do it the better way. Do it the Mike Ruth way. Go to the ink layer, click this, then click this, then create a new layer, inverse the selection, go to edit, hit fill, foreground color, make sure it's set to black, boom. Now your line work is transparent except for all of your black values. Now you can use things like clipping mask layer. It's the bomb. Trust me, thank me later. Step 6, coloring. Make new layers for your flats. I prefer one for the figures and one for the background. Label them. I suck at this. Be better than me. Be better. Step 7. This is where the fun begins. Watch my other video on how I set up my rendering. You're welcome. Step 8. Color check for printing. Myself, and I'm sure most of you do, color in RGB. Well, printers run cmyk. That's okay. I color in RGB because there are certain features disabled in cmyk. If you click Ctrl Y, you can quickly preview what your image looks like in cmyk. Hit Ctrl Y again to toggle between RGB and cmyk. Colors will desaturate. RGB has a wider spectrum of colors than cmyk. Just make sure to check every now and then. Adjust it accordingly. Step 9, you're done. Now what? First, flatten your file. Then, convert it to cmyk. Okay, you're almost there. Step 10, save your file. Don't forget, save your file as a TIFF format. Make sure you click this box. You don't want all these massive files cluttering up your computer. And that's about it. From there, it goes to the letterer, from the letterer to the printer, and then from the printer into your hands. Hopefully, we can do that again sometime soon. And that's it. Those are the 10 boring tips that you need to know as a professional artist. If you want some of these templates that I use, hit me down below. I'll figure out how to get it to you guys, or a place that you can download it from. And that way you guys have what I have. And then you can be super pro too. Thanks for We're done. Thanks for watching.